Okay, I am going to show you how to get on epicbooks.com. This is where you can pick any story you want to read. Just search for something you're interested in, and they usually have a book on it. So what you're going to do is open your internet and go to getepic.com right here. Just type it in just like that, getepic.com. All right, and it should come up looking like this. For you all, you need to hit students because you are a student. And from here, all you do is type in our class code. So it's EKQ0163. Hit go. All right, and then here is where you will see the students in our class. You are to only pick your name. So if I was choosing for Amir, I would pick into Amir. And here is all of the stories. They have things that say read to me if you want to listen to someone read while you follow along. And here they have ones that you can read on your own, comics, more read to me, and all different ones. If you're looking for something that you're interested in, maybe you want to read about, let's say something like basketball. Just type it in and hit enter and look at all of the basketball game or basketball books that you can choose from. And this is a really easy website. If you just click into any of the books, it's going to look like this. And you can just flip through the pages as you please. And if you don't know a word, usually you can click on it and it will help you. So if you have any questions, and to turn the page, you just click right in. So I'm just putting my mouse anywhere. If I didn't know what that word was, I could press this.
Kid.
And it would say it and give me a definition. Then I just click through and I continue reading, okay? If you want to get out of the book, just hit the X. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions at all, please just message me on Teams and I will help you log in.